Blåhaj is a plush toy manufactured and sold by the Swedish company IKEA. Modeled after a blue shark and made of recycled polyester, the toy has gained prominence on social media as a popular internet meme, especially in the transgender community, and has also been used as a mascot by IKEA in some regions. Sometime in 2010, IKEA released a grey shark plush known as Blåhaj as a part of their line of their IKEA children's line. At the time, all of IKEA's plush toys had names that began with the name Clapper, which translates roughly to pat or pattable. By 2012, the plush had become blue, while still keeping the original Blåhaj name. By 2015, the plush had been renamed to Blåhaj. In September 2021, Twitter accounts representing IKEA in Ireland and in Singapore, in response to customers inquiring about the toy, claimed that Blåhaj would be discontinued in April 2022. Sources later confirmed that it had been out of stock or delisted from IKEA's stores in China, Taiwan, and Singapore. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.